How are you?
We are fine.
Very good. Listen my instructions and follow my instructions. Students, clap, clap. Hands up. Shake your hands. Very good. Hands down. Jump on the spot. Stop. Very good. Today we are going to play a very interesting game. It is a language game. And name of the game is Who Am I? Listen some instructions for this game. Mr. Nagavaja has stuck a card paper to my back and he has written a name of personality. I don't know the name of the personality. I am going to ask you some questions. You have to give the answer in yes or no type. Is that okay? Are you going to answer me? Yes. Say loudly. Yes. You have to just give me response in yes or no. Read the card paper. Read the name of the personality. Look at the personality. Okay. Do you read it?
Yes.
Very good. Now, answer my question. Am I a scientist?
No.
Am I a politician?
No.
Am I a singer?
No.
Am I an actor?
No.
Am I an actress?
No.
Am I a sports person?
Yes.
Am I a judge?
Yes.
Very good. Am I a football player?
No.
Am I a tennis player?
No.
Am I a badminton player?
No.
Am I a cricket player?
Yes.
Oh. Am I a batsman?
Yes.
Oh. Am I a Virat Kohli?
No.
Am I a Shubman Gill?
No.
Am I a Dhoni?
No.
Am I a Sachin